Hi everyone. Today I'll share one story, and if you're a freelancer running an agency or any sort of businesses, you could relate this. So there was a client who hired us just for 5 hours. So once we complete the 5 hours, he again hired us for 10 hours. And once we completed the 10 hours, again he hired us for the next 20 hours. And now it's been more than a year and we're still working for that very client. So the only point I want to make here, even if you're given a small project, maybe a $50 project, $100 project, you still need to give you 100%, maybe 500%, and make sure no other can do better than you. So what happens is that normally whenever we get a small project, we don't give that much attention, right? We don't care much about that very project. We did that mistake. But then we learn from our mistake, and now, even though we are given a very small project, maybe $100, $200 project, we just make sure client is good. It's not money that matters the most. It's a client. So here's the message. So if you got hired for a small project as a freelancer or as an agency, you need to give your 500% and make sure that project is wow, and make sure no other can do better than you. And you never know, that small project could be multi-million $1,000 project down the line. I hope it helps. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.